Okay, solve by square root property. If I have something square, like x squared is equal to a constant k, k could be any number. Can somebody tell me how to solve for x?
X equals to plus or minus radical k.
Very good. X will be plus or minus radical k. So if I have x squared is equal to 4, x would be equal to plus and minus radical 4. So we get two solutions. X is equal to radical 4, or x equal to minus radical 4. So here would be plus or minus 2. That's how you solve for x. In this case, your x is expression. So let's see, Danielle, can you tell me how do you set up part A? How would you start this problem?
I'd multiply 2x minus 4 by 2x minus 4.
Well, remember we want to use these methods here. If something squared is equal to a k, x is equal to plus or minus radical k. So let me give you one more example. Maybe that would make it a little bit more clear. If I have x minus 1 squared is equal to 4, then x minus 1 would be equal to plus and minus radical 4. What we're doing here is we're taking the square root of both sides. When I take the square root of left-hand side, the square root and 2 would cancel each other out, because the square root of something is equal to x to the power of 1/2, right? So if I take a square root of this side here, that's what you're really doing. You're taking the square root of both sides. That's what you're doing to solve for x. You see that? That's why square root of x squared is x, and then on the right hand side you get square root of 4. But this is a second order equation, so you would get two solutions, and the other solution would be that's why we put plus and minus there. Okay, so in this case x would be equal to, I would add 1 to both sides of the equation, would be plus and minus radical 4 would be 2. So here would be your answers. X equal to 1 plus 2, which is equal to 3. X equal to 1 minus 2, which is equal to minus 1. So Danielle, can you tell me what would be your first step? We don't really have to expand 2x minus 4 here. We just take a square root of both sides. So you want to try again?
So it would be 2x minus 4 equals plus or minus the square root of 9.
Very good. That's exactly what we do. We take a square root of both sides and put the plus and minus on the right hand side. So here we get 2x is equal to, I'm going to add 4 to both sides of the equation, would be 4 plus and minus square root of 9 would be 3. So if I divide both sides by 2, there would be my answers. X is equal to 4 plus and minus 3 over 2. So you get two answers here. 4 plus 3 over 2, 7 over 2. And then 4 minus 3 over 2 would be 1/2.